Today I will show you the demo of the Drupal and the Next.js, where Drupal will be the backend and Next.js will be the front end part. So here you can see this is my demo website for Drupal, and here we do have contents of courses. The courses content type do have the contents of news, and I have created REST APIs to show the pass data from Drupal to the Next.js. Currently, I'm showing you the demo regarding the two websites where I have created two Next.js website and the content are passing from the single Drupal backend. So this is my first website, that is brand one, and this is my second website, that is brand two. So here you can see we do have like contents related to the landing page, and all the contents which are visible over here are coming from the Drupal backend. So what we can do is like we can directly edit any content from the backend. That is like very good user experience, the editor experience, where the user will directly update any content. So here let's say if I want to update the position of this news, where it currently it is showing the image on the left hand side and the content on the right hand side. Now I need to update like the image should go into the right hand side instead of left hand side. So what I can do is like I can go to the landing page, I can edit it, and this is my feature content where I have used over the content to show into the Next.js, and here is there is a variation that I have given from the next text with image, right, like that. So if I save this and I refresh my brand websites, you can see that image position has been updated. Even though like in my news particular news content, if I don't want to show any of the content into the brand one, or either I need to remove or add any other content into the brand two, then also we can do that from the backend itself. So if I filter like with my news content, if I don't want to see the third news, let me see which news are there. See, this is the third headline news are there. So if I don't want to show that from the brand one, then what I can do is like I can edit the content, and where the URL, or we can say the domain name that we are having from the brand website. Currently it is in the local, so the domain name will be localhost 1, localhost and 3001. But let's say if you're having the xyz.com or abc.com, then that will be your news, that will be your domain name. So here if I can remove that 301 from over here, and I can save, then that particular news will be get removed from this particular website. You can see that now two news are only shown over here, and in the another brand website you can see that we can have all the three news. Apart from this, we do have the courses listing, where the filters and all are getting worked from the Drupal and only. And if I go with the course detail page, it will show all the details from the Drupal, the price and all. Here we have set the demo registration process, like add to cart process, where it will show like if this content you want to this content has been added to the cart. And if you go to the cart, it will show like this. And once you go to the proceed to the checkout, this is the demo form from the Next.js. If I can enter all the details, the shipping, and this is a payment method where we can give options regarding to the different payment method. But this is a demo, so it will not doing any actual payment. It will just storing the data and show confirmation message to the user. So once I do the payment, it will go that show that your order placed successfully, and it redirects me to the home page. So one what will happen when we are registering this, like, or adding any product to the cart or doing the checkout. So once we are doing the checkout process, I have used the Supabase database to store the data over there, where I am only adding the logs of the user details, whatever information that user is adding while doing the checkout. that has been added to this particular table. And to show like we to show this particular data to the front end, even again I have used the Next.js website and show just fetching the data from the Supabase and showed into the front end. So here you can see that from whom the order has been added, which email address has been added, the payment method, the type, and all the name and all. Even though it will show the site URL from which side the this particular order has been registered, or order has been processed. So this is the normal demo regarding to the like the basic demo where how the Drupal and the Next.js will work over here.